Next problem, a square pyramid with a side of base 30 and axis 50 long is resting on its base on HP with an edge of the base parallel to VP. It is cut by a section plane perpendicular to VP and inclined at 45 degrees to HP. The section plane is passing through the midpoint of the axis. Draw the development of the surface of the cut pyramid. Here we are giving side base, pyramid side base 30 mm and axis 50 resting on base on HP, right? Draw the square pyramid. In top view, draw the square with a side of 30 mm and draw the corners, that is AD and AC and BD, and the center point is O, and draw the axis line and project the AD comma BC sides, right? And length is same 30 mm, A prime comma D prime, this is B prime comma C prime, and draw the axis height is 50 mm from middle point of the solid pyramid, right? Then this is the point is apex, this is O prime. Then join the A prime D prime to O prime, B prime C prime to O prime. Next, draw the pyramid position is base position, right? In this base position we are draw the another inclination line, slant side. So because of this is not true slant height of the pyramid, so we are draw the another line. Draw one horizontal line from center of the pyramid, square pyramid, right? OB as radius, O as center, draw an arc, it intersect this horizontal line, that is point B1, right? Draw one vertical line to front view, that is the point B1 prime. Join B1 prime and O1 prime. This is the true slant side of this pyramid, right? In case of every pyramid, base position is draw this true slant height. Okay, then draw the development, right? And draw this, then draw this XY line to some length and apex point to one parallel line to reference line. Then draw a parallel line to this slant side O prime comma B1 prime, right? Next to this point is O, give it point O, this is A. O A radius, O as center, draw an arc, right? O as radius, O center, draw an arc. Then 30 as radius, A as center, draw a 4 arcs, because of this pyramid is square pyramid, right? Then join, this is A, B, C, D, and again A. Join O and A, right? This is the 4 parts of the pyramid, right? Next, sectioning. Sectioning, it is cut by a section plane perpendicular to VP and inclined at 45 degrees to HP. So inclination 45 degrees to HP means the section plane passing through in front view only, right? Section plane passing through the midpoint of the axis. The axis is 50 mm, midpoint is 25 from base or 25 from apex point, right? Then draw a middle point of this triangle, right? This is 25, right? Right? Then inclination 45 degrees, right? Place the protractor, take the protractor and place the protractor in this middle point of the line and take 45 degrees. Okay, take 45 degrees inclination and cuts the pyramid. Then dot the lower part of the pyramid, this part, right? And the section plane is cuts the A comma D generator, that is 1 prime comma 4 prime. Next cuts the B comma C generator, that is 2 prime comma 3 prime. Okay, only 2 points we are sectioning in this pyramid. Okay, right? And then draw. We have draw the outline of the development. Then draw a parallel line to this line from 2 prime comma 3 prime, next 1 prime comma 4 prime to this OA line, right? Next to O to this point, take compass O to this point and draw a one light arc. Next to O to this point, draw a another arc. It will cuts the all parts of the development. Okay, right? Then here it is 1 prime comma 4 prime cuts the A comma D generator, right? So this is the point 1 comma 4 point arc is this one. So it cuts the A comma D generator. So this is the A generator, OA generator. So this is the point 1. Next OD generator is this one. This is point 4. Next OA generator is this one. This is the point 1. Next cuts the BC generator. The point is 2 prime comma 3 prime. This is the OB generator. The arc will pass right. This is 2 and point 3. Then join the 1, 2, 3, 4 to 1, right? This is the total development of the square pyramid.